Hello friends, welcome to the web tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Wamp server on your Windows 11 operating system. So Wamp is a web development package for the Microsoft Windows operating system that consists of Apache web server, MySQL database server and PHP scripting language. In Wamp, W stands for Windows, A for Apache, M for MySQL, P for PHP. Wamp versus Xampp. Xampp package has cross-platform support. It is available for Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. Wamp is available only for Windows operating system. So that's the main difference between Wamp and Xampp. For Xampp installation, we have another video for that we will put a link in the description box. You can check that. Okay, so now we will go to the Wamp installation process. Okay, open your web browser and you can search Wamp server here. Okay, no need for okay, now go to this link wampserver.com, which is the Wamp server official website. Now go to the download section. Here you can see two versions of Wamp server. One is 64 bits and other one is 32 bits. For Microsoft Windows 11, most probably you will have a 64-bit operating system. For those who use 32 bits OS, you can use this link, this download. I am going to download 64-bit version here, so click on that link. You can give your details if you want, but there's no need to give any details. You can download it directly by clicking this link. So the download has been started, and you will notice that we have been redirected to the SourceForge.net website. Now wait for the download to be completed. So download is completed. Go to downloads folder. You can see Wamp server 3.3.5 executable file here. Double click the executable file. It will ask you confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Allow. English is the language. Okay. Now you can read the license agreement. Accept. Click next. Now you will need to read these instructions carefully. The Wamp server, in order to function perfectly, it depends on a number of redistributable packages starting from VC10, VC11, VC13, VC15 and VS60. Okay, so these redistributable packages should be installed in your system. Going below, so you will need to verify that these packages are installed with the latest versions as described here. So they are also giving a link to a tool that will help us check whether these packages are installed or not. I have copied that link. Yeah, that is being downloaded. This is the tool executable. Click on that, double click on that. allow, yes. Okay. We will not be using PHP 5.3 or 5.4, so no. Check. See the results. None of the redistributable packages are installed, so we will need to install all of them. Okay, so going back to the instructions, they are saying you will find all the packages on this link. So copying that link, pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl V. From this site we can get all the required redistributable packages. See this link, VC++ packages. From this section we will get all of them. There are two sections, one for the 32-bit versions and another for 64 bits. All of one by one are listed here, and or you can download all the packages all together and install them in one go. Okay, now for easiness I am going to download all VC redistributable packages of 64 bits from this link. Clicking that link, wait for the download to be completed. So the download is completed. We can go to the downloads folder. This is the zip file that has been downloaded. We can extract here to see the contents. So here is the collection of downloaded redistributable packages. So let's go back to the check VC++ tool. First package that we need to install is Visual C++ 2010 SB1 redistributable package 86. So yes, this one. So double click on it to install. Click yes. So accept the license terms, install. So that is finished. So next one is Visual C++ 2012 x86 update 4. In the folder 2012, this one, double click on it, click install, yes. So that's also installed, and following the same steps you will need to install all remaining redistributable packages. After installing all the redistributables, you can go back to the check VC++ tool again, then click yes, check. Now it shows all VC++ packages needed to Wamp server are installed correctly. Okay, then click OK. Now we can go back to the installation process. We have reached up to this point in the setup. So we can click next now. By default, the setup will install to this folder. It will install Wamp server to the C drive. We can change the destination folder if we need. As for now, we can keep it like this. So click next. It's preparing to install. Now the install has been started. Now the installation has been completed. Setup is asking Edge will be used as default browser by Wamp server. Do you want to choose another browser? We can set Chrome as the default browser. I think so. Okay, go to Chrome folder, see program files, Google Chrome, Chrome.exe file, select it. Notepad will be used as default text editor. Do you want to choose another? So let's choose VS Code as our default text editor by Wamp server. Okay, so click yes. Okay, VS Code has been installed into D drive. So D program files, VS Code, code.exe, select this file. So default text editor has been changed to VS Code. You can read these instructions and click next. Finish. So the Wamp server installation is complete. We can check this by searching Wamp server. Click on it. Yes. Wamp server is starting its services like Apache, MySQL Server and PHP. Now Wamp server is running. You can check this by calling localhost in your browser. See, this is the Wamp server homepage for local installation. This means if you show this screen like this, your Wamp server installation is successfully completed. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos.